नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अजय जाटोरिया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। टुडे we will discuss about screening of diseases. Screening of disease. The search for unrecognized disease or defect by means of rapidly applied test, examination or procedure in apparently healthy individual. Screening and diagnostic test. Screening test, diagnostic test. स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट में हेल्दी इंडिविजुअल होता है, इसमें सिक इंडिविजुअल होता है जो डायग्नोस्टिक से होता है। अप्लाइड टू ग्रुप्स, applied to single patient. Results are arbitrary and final. जो डायग्नोसिस है उसमें डायग्नोसिस इज नॉट फाइनल, मॉडिफाइड इन लाइट ऑफ न्यू एविडेंस। अब स्क्रीनिंग में बेस्ड ऑन वन क्रिएशन ऑफ कट ऑफ पॉइंट। डायग्नोसिस में बेस्ड ऑन इवेल्यूशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ सिम्टम। जो स्क्रीन होती है वो लेस एक्यूरेट होती है, डायग्नोस्टिक में मोर एक्यूरेट होता है। स्क्रीनिंग लेस एक्सपेंसिव होती है, डायग्नोसिस मोर एक्सपेंसिव होता है। स्क्रीनिंग नॉट द बेसिस ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट, और जो डायग्नोसिस यूज्ड एज ए बेसिस ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट। एम एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स to sort out from the large group of apparently healthy persons those likely to have the disease or at increased risk of the disease under study, to bring those who are apparently abnormal under medical supervision and treatment. Screening for earlier diagnosis and rapid treatment. Usage of screening: case detection, control of disease, research purpose, education purpose. Types of screening. Three types of screening: mass screening, high risk or relative screening, multiple screening. Criteria for screening. Following criteria should be fulfilled before screening. Condition: an important health problem, early diagnosis possible, natural history of disease should be understood, test to detect the disease prior to clinical state, availability of facility for confirmation of diagnosis, effective treatment should be present, promising result. Screening test. The screening test should satisfy following criteria: acceptability, acceptable by people at whom it is aimed, with repeatability, should give consistent result on repetition, validity, the extent to which the test accurately measures what is what it is meant to measure. Evaluation of screening test: sensitivity, the ability of the test to identify correctly all those who have the disease. Specificity, the ability of the test to identify correctly those who do not have the disease. Predictive accuracy, diagnostic power of the test, The more prevalence of disease in the population, the more predictive accuracy. False negative and positives. False negative patients who actually have the disease and are told negative. तो false negative हो गया. False positive patients do not have the disease and are told positive. Yield the patient the amount of previously unrecognized diseases that are diagnosed as a result of screening effort. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.